Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're going to show you how to prevent WhatsApp from accessing your files and media on your Android device. By doing this, you can ensure that your personal media files remain private and secure. So, let's get started. Step 1. Open the settings. The first thing you need to do is open the Settings app on your Android device. You can do this by tapping on the settings icon on your home screen, or by swiping down the notification panel and tapping on the gear icon. Step 2. Scroll down and tap Apps. Once you're in the Settings app, scroll down until you find the Apps option. Tap on it to open the list of all the apps installed on your device. Step 3. Tap on the 3 small dots on the top right corner. On the top right corner of the app screen, you will see 3 small dots. Tap on them to open the Additional Options menu. Step 4. Tap Permission Manager. From the Additional Options menu, select the Permission Manager option. This will open a list of all the permissions that your apps have access to. Step 5. Tap on Files and Media. From the list of permissions, find the Files and Media option and tap on it. This will show you a list of all the apps that have access to your device's media files. Step 6. Find the WhatsApp app and tap on it. Scroll down the list until you find the WhatsApp app and tap on it to open its permission settings. Step 7. Choose Don't Allow Finally from the WhatsApp app's permission settings. Toggle off the switch beside the Media option to prevent WhatsApp from accessing your device's media files. Conclusion, and that's it. You've successfully prevented WhatsApp from accessing your files and media on your Android device. This can help you keep your personal media files safe and secure. We hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.